The combination of expected temperature and relative humidity values will result in heat index values between 105 and 109 degrees inclusive this afternoon over the Rio Grande Plains and Brush County. Residents with outdoor activities planned are urged to drink plenty of water, wear lightweight and light-colored clothing, and take frequent breaks from the heat. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. This is especially true during warm or hot weather when car interiors can reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes.